A lot of students think that they don't need to study the formula because they're given the formula sheet for their physics exam, but that is so wrong. Things that I want you to know about the formula sheet is that these formulas act as the definition of a particular term as well. So let's say in the exam they ask you to define what is kinetic energy. All you have to do is just locate the formula for kinetic energy and just describe the equation for it. That's all, you get the marks. Secondly, if they ask you to calculate something in the exam, make sure to write down the formula, because even though the formula is there in the formula sheet, but sometimes they give you marks for just writing it. So why not? And one of the main ways to get used to the formula sheet and how to use the formulas and what keywords to look for is to use Cleverly. Let me show you here. Because when you are going through the physics revision notes, you see a lot of formulas. But obviously, second, you see the worked example here. This is so useful because what you should do is then make a note of all the questions and answers here, like the worked examples that you get from Cleverly, and then also do chapter wise questions. Let me show you again. Here you go, and do chapter wise with Cleverly and add them to your flashcards, and that's basically most of it. Make a flashcard or a notebook and add which particular question that you were confused about. Physics is like 70% calculations and the rest is a little bit of theory, and the theory kind of builds up on the definition, which is your formula anyways, like I said. So if you know how to use the formula well, then you'll do your exam well. Do check out Cleverly in the link in bio, and good luck. Bye.